ready for your main event. Please make some noise.
The migrations of Polynesia from island to island. We come from afar by canoes following the star of the night. We come from the east and west. We come from the north and south, looking for this gathering place of the end. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hawaii.
Please give a round of applause to lovely ladies of Hawaii. Welcome you to the islands in the beginning of our journey through the South Pacific. Huli! Journey continue visiting the beautiful islands of Tahiti. In Tahiti, we welcome all of you by saying, Yorana, 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 Yorana. To all the ladies out there, if you want to see more, please say Yorana. Yorana. Everybody please say aloha. Aloha. Our men of Tahiti, welcoming all of you ladies tonight. To all the men out there, we didn't forget you. The ladies of Tahiti just got here by canoes to welcome the men. Can we hear the men say Yorana? Yorana! Only 3.5 men out there. One more time, men, Yorana! Yorana! Hey. Man, if you want more, please say Yoran. Yoran. Man, one more time. Yoran. Everybody, please say Tahiti. 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 Everyone, please say Yorana. Yorana. The journey continues. Visiting the beautiful people, the lovely islands of Aotearoa, New Zealand. The Maoris welcome you to their land and greet you by saying, Kia ora. The leader of Aotearoa welcomed me with the word of the spear of New Zealand, hoping for peace and friendship, calling the rest of the warriors to join him as they share with us tonight the warrior dance of New Zealand, the haka. Hey! 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 Please give a round of applause to our warriors of Aotearoa and haka. Our lovely ladies of New Zealand also welcome you to their beautiful islands. Share their favorite dance, the poi bowl dance. Our lovely ladies of Aotearoa. The poi bowl dance, the favorite dance of the ladies of Aotearoa. They can dance from 1, 2, all the way to 24. Watch these ladies and learn their favorite dance. Our lovely ladies of Aotearoa, New Zealand. As the journey continues in the South Pacific Islands, we have come to meet the friendly people of Polynesia. The friendly people come from the friendly islands of Tonga. And Tonga is the only country in all of Polynesia that is still ruled and controlled by the king today. In Tonga, we welcome you by saying, Malo elele.
Malo Tonga, lele makiro Toma.
Our ends of Tonga and the Siva Kaila. When we visit Tahiti, we get a chance to meet the village people. And the village people tells us that if we watch the hands of the lovely ladies dance and perform, we will miss the show. These lovely ladies of Tahiti share with us the fast, hip-shaking dance of their islands. How about a round of applause for our lovely ladies? Share with us the tippy-tippy. our lovely ladies of Tahiti. And the only man remained in the village. Do the cooking. We welcome you to our beautiful islands of Hawaii. Can everyone please say aloha? Aloha. The king of rock and roll, Elvis Presley, visited the islands and filmed many movies. One of the favorites is Blue Hawaii. And tonight we present you our lovely, beautiful Pomaikai. Please give her a round of applause. Share with us tonight, Blue Hawaii. Our lovely Pomaikai and Blue Hawaii.